It's them, all right. Looks like big trouble's come back to haunt us. Choji, are you coming?
Yeah.
Hey, wait, hold on.
We know these guys better than anyone, and how we can stop them.
Yeah. But let me make this clear.
I think you're making the right call on this one. Sorry to keep relying on you, but it's all yours to handle as you see fit.
In fact, only the Gentle Fist can cut this thread. Hinata, gather some Gentle Fist users.
Multiple legs barrage!
You don't know when to give up, do you?
You fool.
Huh. Did you go on a diet? This is so unlike you.
He makes no pointless attacks. He's the strongest opponent I've ever fought.
You're mine.
I'm getting used to this dead body. You're taking too long. Just kill them! Even though you're dead, you haven't changed a bit. This fool, he's not even worried. Don't underestimate us just because your dog grew up.
Bang over bang!
Same old...
This one's dangerous. My body! I can't move! We have Jonin capable of countering Genjutsu, but with direct contact between one another forbidden right now. This is bad.
Let's finish him, Sakon! Sounds good.
Our curse mark's power has been intensified far beyond what it once was. Damn it! How come...
Huh? You want to tell me that you and your friends are stronger because of a curse mark or something like that, right? However...
Orichimaru, I'm sorry about that time back then. You had to be hospitalized. All because I was...
And you're undeniably stronger than when you were alive. But still, some old ghosts from the past like you don't even stand a chance against that.
Partial expansion jutsu!
We're wall bang over bang! What? Reggie. Those hidden leaf guys took him down! You did it!
What is this? I'm sensing something, but it's hazy. They're up to something, and I'm sure it's no good!
You bastards! This is what you were after right from the very beginning!
Yes, I see. It's weak, but there is a heartbeat. Neji, you went off on your own again, didn't you? Well, this time around?
But I...
Relax, I'll take care of these two. I'll infuse them with my chakra, and use the pressure to circulate their own internal chakra.
That's ridiculous! One wrong step and you'll die too!
This is something I have to do.
My parasitic insects devour chakra, and since chakra often acts like water, it flows towards wherever there's an empty space available. Leave it to me. In truth, my parasitic insects don't have the trait that enables them to transfer chakra.
Don't worry about me.
In the meantime, get word to HQ.
We'll need a counter strategy.
Right away.
The Underworld Transfer Jutsu. A jutsu that transports only the victim's soul inside of a barrier. Try though they might, they can't escape. This will be quite interesting.
Hey, what are you and Choji doing here, Shikamaru? Never mind, I don't even know where here is.
Seems our game has already entered the next level.
Damn it!
This is a special barrier. It was made specifically to lock you guys up and materialize your souls.
What do you mean, our souls? Hold on, are you trying to tell us that we're dead or something?
Boy, that's weird. Byakugan!
I can't see anything beyond the barrier. It's like there's an impenetrable wall in front of it.
Looks like they're finally ready to fight. Well, we've been ready on this side since the get-go.
I'm getting a really bad feeling about this.
It's all going to be fine, Shikamaru. If something's not sitting right with you, just go right on ahead and analyze it.
We're all counting on you.
Thanks, guys.
Hangover thing!
I've got to pull my own weight here. I can't keep relying on them.
Imagine you on the offense. I thought you'd leave Fatso behind again.
Choji, watch out!
I owe you one. Man, can't believe I missed.
Our physical attacks are causing damage, but still.
What are you talking about? You mean we can't attack them directly?
No, that's not it. There are 3 reasons. First of all, even back when we first faced them, these guys possess Jonin level strength.
But isn't that how it usually works?
Like I said earlier, these guys are already dead.
Sound Ninja Form! Summoning Jutsu!
Well, first, let me ask you all something.
Yes, Kiba's right. Every last one of us decided on one life for one enemy. For one, we have more intel on the enemy than we did previously. Also, your analyses and decision-making have always been spot on.
The next time around, I promise, the mission will go perfectly. We have one main goal, and that goal is, for every one of us, to return from the battlefield alive.
Really? Is that so?
But I think there's someone in the southern camp.
Great, got it. Thanks.
Hey!
Shikamaru, Choji.
No, not yet. I can't give up yet. I won't.
If someone is able to touch the stolen soul with chakra, then the soul can come back from behind the barrier. Even the system we have at HQ cannot pinpoint the exact location where they're being held.
This is bad. There's just no way to find a soul that's separated from its physical body.
Shikamaru, leave that one to me. Super expansion jutsu!
Well, I'll take care of this other guy, don't worry.
Huh?
Hey! I'm the only one who can handle that spider!